In this video, we will talk about how to rearrange and remove the activity collection tiles. Let's enter into the Add button to check out this new feature. Select Edit to begin rearranging and removing tiles. Long press until the tile is shadowed with the activity color. Now move the tile to a new location. Drag a tile to the Remove bin to hide the activity from the activity collection view. Select the Remove bin to view all removed activities. To add activities back to the collection view, long press and drag the activity collection tile to the Add bin. Select the Add bin to return back into the activity collection view. Have fun tailoring activity collection to your business. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this and visit our website for more information about Sirrus and the rest of our products.